Page 22, this is the little sight reading thing at the bottom. Now hopefully you've tried to play this, you've sight read it before you watch the video. This is where, without practice or anything, you just try and play through it. And if you find it too much of a struggle, then do it one hand at a time and sight read it one hand at a time. And then go back and see if you can put them, play it together. However, this video is aimed more at, well, you've already done that, now let's go ahead and learn the piece. 2/4 time with 1 sharp. So it's either in G major or E minor. We'll look at the end. The chord at the end, it's a G major chord. I'm guessing it's in G major. Lots of eighth notes, 1 and 2 and. 1 and, watch this fingering, you're here. 1 and 2, and then you gotta immediately bring the thumb up, crunch up. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Bring down. And then the next to the last measure there, again, second finger, that's what we used before. And this way you're in better position than to come down to the E on the next measure. The left hand just has these chords, the G chord. That's pretty much it for the left hand. You put them together. You can't use the full chord in the left hand at the beginning because the right hand's using that note. That's why it's not there. The idea. Now slurring, put in the slurs a little up between the second measure going, just lift up, lift up, so lift up between the slurs. The left hand, just play it as legato as you can and keep it quiet. Then dynamics, moderately soft, that's the right hand. The left hand should be soft. Then you're loud. That's the right hand. The left hand can get a little louder, but keep it under the right hand. And so, it doesn't say how fast to go. You go however fast, you can sight read it actually. So forth. I don't know how fast it goes. I don't recognize it. I'm familiar with most all the pieces Chopin wrote, but I'm not familiar with this one. Let's play it together slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 2 counts because it's in 2/4 time. We're going to go really, really slow though. So I have the metronome on quarter notes, slow quarter notes. So it's like 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. It's not that slow then, so be ready. Ready and go and.